Keeping up with the new trends and offering contemporary ways for customers to shop on your Shopify store should be on the top of the list of every store owner. And that's why we are here at KondaSoft, to empower your stores with awesome snippets like the shoppable videos that you are seeing right now. Okay, first we are going to check the installation, and then we are going to check the various settings and options that we have for this snippet. After you have downloaded the package, double click to unzip it, and then you are going to notice that the package contains two files, one marked with down and the one marked as general. You should use the one marked with down if you are using the official Shopify down theme, and for any other Shopify theme you should use the one marked as general. Open the file on your preferred editor, copy everything within it, and from the Shopify admin, navigate to themes, select the theme you want to install it, and all you have to do here is create a new section called KS Shoppable Videos. Then paste the contents of the file that you have just copied and hit the save button. Going back to the theme, customize, and then add a new section called KS Shoppable Videos. Okay, we have to hit the save button, and here we don't have added any videos yet, but we are going to check that shortly along with the various settings that we have for this snippet. Okay, I have already added some simple videos to the snippet, so let's check the settings now. First, we have the color scheme. This is on the down theme. If you are using the general version of this snippet, you should see here the background color and the text color. So, for example, we have here the white color scheme, but if you notice the section below, we have selected here the blue color scheme. Okay. Here we have the option to wrap in the container or not. If disabled, the section will take the full page width. Okay. Then we have the settings for the heading and the description here, and the option to change the heading size, small, medium or large. And then we have here the settings for the slider. First we have the speed. This is the transition speed. If you want the slider to move slowly or faster, change the settings. If you want to show the navigation arrows here, disable the settings, or the pagination, these small dots here, and the option to change the pagination type if you prefer to have the numbers or fraction. Then you have the options to show this scroll bar here or not, and the option in mobile if you want to have the partial slides or not. Okay, moving on, we have now the settings for the video card itself. We have first the gap or the spacing between these cards here. If you prefer to have a bigger spacing, change the setting here. Okay. Then you have the border width. If you don't prefer to have a border, simply set this to 0. The border radius, if you prefer to have squares, set this to 0 as well. If you want to have a box shadow or not. And the option for the equal height cards. In case your videos are different heights, you may want to disable these settings here. Then you have the settings for the breakpoints, which you can use to control how many cards will be shown on various screen resolution. For example, here on the desktop we have set it to 4 if the screen width is higher than 1400 pixels. Okay, and you can adjust these settings based on your needs. Okay, then you have the section padding on top here and the bottom here. Okay, let's move on now and see the settings for each of the blocks. Let's check the first block. Okay, we have the video that you can select it here. Then you have this autoplay video setting here. If selected, the video will be automatically played, but it will be muted because the browsers don't allow the videos to be autoplayed with sound. Okay, if you don't want to autoplay the video, just select this setting here. Then you have the settings for the top area, which contain this custom badge here and the views icon here as well. You can select the badge here, which is new for this video here, and you can select the badge color for here. Okay, then you have the views. Of course, if you don't want to have the views or the badge, you can simply leave this field here empty, and you have the views background color if you prefer to change the background color here. Then you have the settings for the product. Again, each video should be assigned a product so the customers can click on the products and buy the product. But of course, you can just have the videos if you prefer so, by simply leaving this field here empty. Then we can change the background color for this area here. You can choose a different color, and normally you should change the text as well. As you can see, with this snippet it's very easy to show videos and user-generated contents. We hope that you are enjoying it. Thanks for watching.